Good morning or good afternoon. It is currently 1:42 p.m. and I have completed 2 meetings. This man has been sitting on this bed working in a very bad position, and yeah, today's plan is basically to do more work and then we eventually get to eat some Hiroshima Okonomiyaki perhaps, and then after that we might go to the onsen.
It's 5 p.m.
Let's visit the shrines.
We're going to get okonomiyaki. Michelle, you haven't pressed anything yet. So the last time we went to this okonomiyaki place, we just didn't go because the line was too long. They opened about an hour ago, so hopefully the line is a bit better today because we're going earlier.
I actually want to eat Hasen. Sorry, the experience is to have it here.
It's like the kebab owners at Al Kebabji. It was so hot in there. It's like a Japanese.
My stomach was hot, my head was hot.
The hot sauce made me sweat.
Hot.
Anyways, from this hot experience, we're gonna go to a hot onsen, maybe see some lights.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'll be with Chris hanging around, and then I'll be with you on Friday because you don't work, and then Saturday, Sunday, back in Goofy. You know, we're in Sendai. We'll be on our Ginzan Onsen and Nyoto Onsen road trip.
We are going to the illuminations. So basically in this street in Hiroshima, there's like this illumination event that we talked about a couple of videos back. It's a whole street. I think there's H, it goes all the way up to H, so A, B, C, D of different sections. So we might be changing plans to not go to the onsen tonight and instead go tomorrow. Nice. Okay, so tomorrow we're gonna head to the Mazda Museum before heading to the onsen. So we're gonna just go Family Mart, get some ice cream, and then, you know, watch some anime. After that, maybe do some work, and I think that'll be it for the night. This is our lunch for tomorrow, or dinner, breakfast.